For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns, and it's time for your daily dose of the doctor. Let's take a look at how to set up and execute one of these planned trades from the Around the Horn trading plan. This is MDT, Medtronic PLC. This was a stock that I had some alternate entries for. We did a real-time video of that one and did a little bit of a time lapse to show you how that one was played out over the course of the session. And what I'd like to do now is just take the trading plan and transfer it to a chart so everybody can see what it is that we're looking to do every day. So here we see that we had a planned entry on this one, $74.98. We had a 75.37 stop loss, a 74.64 50% to target level, and a 74.30 target. Let me tell you what all those levels mean and how they're used over the course of the session. First off, the stock opened, and in the other video we talked about those alternate entries that we had on this one. As you can see here, though, after it played through those levels a couple times, it came down and it hit $74.98, our entry price. Julie and I entered that trade. Once the price got down to $74.64, this 75.37 line up here, the stop loss, gets moved. And the place it gets moved is down to $74.98. So once we're 50% of the distance from the entry to the target, what we do is move our stop to break even and the trade is risk-free. Then price oscillates a little bit around that 50% to target level. Adding these lines to it, these floor trader pivot lines, gives us a little bit more color as to what's happening. We see that the oscillation around that 50% to target line gets us back up to here at $74.92. That is the S1 pivot, the first support level pivot line that we were anticipating from the trading plan. And we see that once it got there, it bounced and moved lower, came back into $74.64, and eventually we got down here to $74.40. And once we get to $74.40, what we want to do is move our stop again, this time from break even or risk-free at $74.98. We're moving it down to $74.64. So now instead of the trade being risk-free, we've locked in a minimum of 50% of the distance to the profit target. And finally, when we get down to that $74.30 level, that's right at the S2 support. That's the floor trader pivot support 2. And when it gets down below there and hits that target line, that's all she wrote. And MDT gave us 2 early entry opportunities that we talked about in another video, and it gave us a move all the way down to the profit target. So that's how the plan is set up. That's how the plan is intended to be carried out. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. I hope you had a great trading day today and an even better one on deck for tomorrow. The best trader education anywhere, only from traderinsight.com.